What's up, everybody? We're at New England Eggfest 2026, and today we're doing some tri-tip. Gotta give a huge shout out to Wild Fork. Went there, they really hooked me up. I have prime aged tri-tip, and let me tell you, it is beautiful. We're using the Patagonia rub, Ember Salt Co. Patagonia rub, and we're gonna do some fresh chimichurri, some smashed fingerling potatoes, and some zucchini. But check this stuff out. I mean, it is gorgeous. So we're gonna take, with this setup right here, we're gonna go to about 130, and then we're gonna do a hot sear on this and bring it up to temperature. Let it rest a few minutes, slice it up. It is gonna be delicious. So we're happy to be here today. We're very grateful to Wild Fork. Definitely check them out. And you know, you're gonna love their selection and their pricing. You know, pricing is key right now. And you'll be really happy you go to Wild Fork. They have everything you can imagine, from opening price point all the way up to Wagyu. Definitely check them out. All right, so here we are at Eggfest, and we're gonna have a great day today. We got our tri-tip going, we got our cool product, we got beautiful leather aprons, we got our knife collection, all our beautiful Brazilian hand-forged knives. I mean, if you're in the market for something special, come on down today, because you're gonna love what we have. Go to the website, check us out. We've all of our cool tools, gifts, gadgets. Father's Day is coming. You know, we got time to ship to you. So definitely check us out today, and check out the website, ownthefire.com. You're in the market for a good leather apron. Our aprons are awesome. I'm gonna do the show special today, but I'm gonna carry it out for the month of June for Father's Day. We got some great quality stuff, and thanks.